Meaning of guppy.
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 Guppy. Guppy is a noun that refers to a small tropical freshwater fish characterized by its colorful and flashy appearance, often kept in aquariums. The term guppy originates from the name of the man who discovered this species, Robert John Lechmere Guppy. Guppies are popular pets due to their ease of care and ability to breed readily in captivity. They come in a wide variety of colors and patterns, making them a popular choice for fish enthusiasts. In short, guppy refers to a small, brightly colored fish prized for its easy maintenance and aesthetic appeal.